Hey everybody, how are you? And today I am making a Mackenzie child inspired wreath. And I'll be showing you the pictures in a few minutes. I'm going to take these pictures that I got out of the catalog and printed them. And I found these napkins at Hobby Lobby, and they're in the party section. And we're going to Mod Podge on first the chicken. And the plates are from the Dollar Tree. We're going to put the chicken in the back. And you just cut it down to fit whatever plate you're going to use. So get my Mod Podge going. And this will be very, very fast, but it's going to make an adorable wreath. And this is just printer paper that I used. And printer paper will Mod Podge on fine, because I've done it before. Okay. And don't get nervous with Mod Podge, because you see how it's cloudy looking? It'll all dry clear. And I just want to get this down so it's smooth. And guys, they say that you can't use a inkjet. Everything I have ever done is inkjet. I don't have a laser, and it works perfect. Okay. All right, now we'll put on the napkin. Okay guys, so I'm down in the kitchen. We got our plates done. Let's look at them. These turned out adorable. I love this one. Okay, so, and this is from Hobby Lobby, the wreath. Yes, I got another wreath, you guys. This isn't the same one. I got a new one. I promise, see? This was $4.99, and I got it when they were 50% off. Same with the florals. So this is supposed to be rosemary, and I think this one's supposed to be dill, because this is going to go on my pantry door. Because if you remember when I showed you, if you are with me on a regular basis, I showed you my Mackenzie child that I bought through the last couple years, and the things that I've made with the black and white. So this is going to be an adorable addition to that stuff that I've made. I also ordered this online, and it is the check, the black and white check. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut, because I'm not just going to stick these on, right? These are a little bit different. These are right down to the quick. So this, they might have to be glued on. So this might have to be, well, maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, so as you see, this is oblong. Well, maybe you can't see completely. Anyway, I'm going to have the point of it at the top. Okay, and I'm just going to start sticking like we always do. This is why I like the grapevine wreath, because you can just stick them in and not really have to worry too much about gluing. Now, the plates will have to be glued in. There's no two ways about that. I very rarely keep any of my picks together. I'm usually always cutting them up. Okay, so I have the different stems in. Now I want to see where I want to put the plates. And I may move some of these around depending on where I put the plates. Okay. Okay, so I really like this one, so I think this one, glue these on. I'm not going to glue them a lot, so they'll be able to come off if I want. But I kind of want to place them where I think I might want them. Oh, I love this one. There, he's pretty big. Okay. Okay. So these two are looking at each other. Okay. that down just for a minute until it... And I might put a couple, I don't know, I might put a couple vegetables in here since it's going to be in the kitchen. I don't know yet. I want to hold it up to see. Okay, this one. This is going to be cute, you guys. And I think they wanted $500. Pretty sure $500 for the wreath. We'll have to look again in the catalog. God, I wish I could afford that stuff, but I can't. You know? This one I'm going to want to hold up because I want to see about... Oh, this is such a big wreath that I can't show you entirely right here, but you'll see it when I put it on the door. And like I said, this is just printer paper, and this is an inkjet. It is not a laser. They always say that the ink will run. You saw it did not run when I put the Mod Podge on it. This is so cute and airy. I want to make sure that it's just about even there. Okay, so these are down pretty good. Okay, now I'm just going to start putting back what I had to take out. And I always hold it up to see what it's going to actually look like when it's on wherever I'm putting it. And this, and put it separate. And I like that lime green, you guys. I did the other one. So I need some here. Okay, this one plate, I'm having a heck of a time getting it to stay glued. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a piece of cardboard underneath it, because then I can adhere that, getting it to stay. Now it will stay because it's going to be on the cardboard. Yep. Okay. Okay. And what I'm going to do with the ribbon, I'm going to just weave a little bit throughout these sides of the wreath. Okay. guys, it's done and I love it. The green snap peas completed it because I love the color green. It ties into my kitchen because my kitchen has, you know, the vegetables. I think it's so cute. I really like this. And I didn't do a bow. I didn't want a bow. These are adorable. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever let anyone tell you anything different. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.